And good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Futures Trading Coach Trading Alert Call Room recap. Today is Monday, January 14th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, first of all, actually, I want to remind everybody we have a free webinar coming up. That'll be tomorrow, Tuesday, January 15th, between 3 and 4, 5 Eastern time. It depends on how long it's going to go, depending on how many questions we get and stuff like that. You can go right to our website, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and you can go to our link at the top, free webinars, and you can register for that. There's also a blog post talking about the webinar and things like that in our blog section. So register for that if you're interested. Today, real quickly, we had, well, this was kind of the same trade. We just hit it twice. We had 4 opportunities, 2 in the ES and 2 in the NQ. I'm going to run through everything really quick from left to right. We had an understanding trade long in the ES, 77 quarter on the 942 candle. That trade worked its way all the way up. But initially, most people, 77 quarter, about 3-4 points. We had our playground area up here. And then those who could hold longer obviously would have made more because we got in way down here. That was a beautiful trade, understanding trade. Then we had a power play short. We had to get in here, add, get out, break even, and then hit it again. And we talked about why that was, why we probably would have to add onto that if it didn't go right away, because it was potentially a little bit early, but we were looking for it to make its way down. Again, my circle was there before it got down there. Okay, when we got in the trade, and that was from 80, and that made about 3+ points there, 3+ points there. And then in the NASDAQ, we got long in the NASDAQ on a power play, 10:12 Central Standard Time, 66:45. And initially we were looking for 15 to 20 ticks. We got it. And then anybody who could hold it, I told everybody that this is where the market wanted to go. Ultimately up here, okay. Oh, no, I'm sorry, that was on the other trade. Up here, we were looking at the minimum of 15 to 20 ticks, and then I told everybody if they could stay up around where we got in, it was going to go to 52, 53 at least, and likely higher. These were the circles, but we weren't, most people didn't stay in from here all the way up there, just because it bounced around and stuff like that, and people were out. But initially, it was at least 15 to 20 ticks, more if you could hold, and then because we were looking for these targets up here, we got in on a understanding trade, and that was on the 1033 candle at 59.50, and we took that trade up, and that made up to the circle there, which was about 78, and then we didn't have anything after that. So that was a great trade from 59.50, let's just call it 60, 75. It was a good 50, 60 ticks. And that was what we did. So we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and check out our website, www.futurestradingcoach, if you want to sign up for the free trial for our trading room or the webinar. Have a great day, guys.